Hello, I am a student of Sanjeevani Pratishthan College of Education, Kurun. My name is Karishma Panduranga Lange. I am studying in B.Ed second year. Course number is 212 and subject name is Entrepreneurship Development under the guidance of Professor Kale sir. Let us start the topic now. The topic name is environmental pollution. Before the starting, we have to understand the content of the topic. In the content, first point is the definition of the pollution. Second, types of pollution. Third, air pollution. Fourth, water pollution. Fifth, noise pollution. And last one is role of an individual in preventing pollution. In the next slide, we will see the definition of a pollution. Environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of any components of the environment, that is, air, water, soil, which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life. In environment, most important role plays that is pollutants. So let us study the difference between pollution and pollutants. So first, let's see the definition of a pollution. The term pollution can be defined as influence of any substance causing harmful effects to the organisms. Pollutants, any substance causing harmful effects to the organisms, then that particular substance may be called as pollutant. Now let us study the first type of environmental pollution, that is air pollution. In this picture you can see how air pollution occurs. Also this photo will help you better understand how air pollution affect our environment and how air is polluted. So the definition of air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter, or biological materials that cause harm or discomfort to human or other living organisms, or cause damage to the natural environment or a built environment into the atmosphere. Also, we can define air pollutant like this: a substance in the air that can cause harm to humans and the environment is known as an air pollutant. So, now let us see what are the sources of air pollutions. There are two types of air. First is natural and second one is anthropogenic. Anthropogenic means man-made. In natural, forest fires, sea salt sprays, biological decay, pollen grains, photochemical oxidation of terpenes. And in anthropogenic, thermal power plants, vehicular emission, industrial units, etc. Okay, we have studied the sources of air pollution. From that, we will see how they can classified. Classification of air pollutants. Air pollutants may be particulate or gaseous. On the basis of origin, they are divided as primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. The primary pollutants are emitted directly from the point source. For example, CO, NO2, SO2, etc. In secondary pollutants, the pollutants formed by interaction of primary pollutants. For example, ozone, smoke, etc. So let's study the effect of this air pollution on human health. Effect on human health. Main problems are related to respiratory tract like asthma, high fever and other allergic diseases. Irritation of the eye, nose and throat, In some cases, there may be headaches and loss of coordination. Prolonged exposure can cause damage to the nerve system, digestive problems, and in some cases, cause lung cancer. It lowers our resistance to cold and pneumonia. CO has affinity towards hemoglobin, which cause disturbance in transportation of oxygen, impairing our concentration, slow our reflexes, and make us confused and sleepy. Chronic respiratory disease, heart disease, lung cancer, and even damage to the brain, nerves, liver, or kidneys. How we can control the air pollution? Any idea? Tell me. Okay, don't worry, I tell you. Control of air pollution. Proper air pollution control devices in industries using low sulfur coal, regular engine turn up, replacement of old more polluting vehicles, using mass transport system, bicycle, etc., shifting to less polluting fuels, planting more trees, no to firecrackers in Diwali and other occasions. This is all about air pollution. Second, water pollution. In this picture, you can see how water pollution occurs. Definition of water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as alternation in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of water through natural or human activities and making it unsuitable for its use. Fresh water present on the earth's surface is put to many uses. It is used for drinking, domestic and municipal uses, agricultural, irrigation, industries, navigation, creation. The used water becomes contaminated and is called wastewater. Pollution sources. Most of water pollution is man-made. It is also occur naturally by addition of soil particles through erosion, animal waste, and leaching of minerals from rocks. The sources of water pollution can be classified as municipal wastewater, industrial waste, inorganic and organic pollutants, agricultural waste, domestic waste. Industrial waste. Wastewater from manufacturing or chemical processing in industries. Industrial wastewater usually contains specific and readily identifiable chemical compounds, mainly in the form of toxic waste and organic pollutants, chromium, mercury, lead, copper, cadmium, etc. Let's see the effects of water pollution. Depletion of dissolved oxygen, pathogen spreading diseases, biomagnification, genetic deformities, blue body syndrome, skin diseases. So, let's see the control of water pollution. Treatment of water before living in water bodies, restoration of polluted water bodies, river water monitoring, Ganga Action Plan, strict law enforcement regarding drilling in eco-sensitive zone, dumping of toxic and hazardous waste, coastal regulation zone. Next, noise pollution. Noise pollution is excessive, displeasing human, animal, or machine created environmental noise that disturbs the activity or balance of human or animal life. Sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversations. World Health Organization state that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. Sources of noise pollution. Transportation systems are the main source of noise pollution in urban areas. Construction of buildings, highways, and streets cause a lot of noise due to the uses of air compressors, bulldozers, loaders, dump trucks, and pavement breakers. Industrial noise also add to the already unfavorable state of noise pollution. Loudspeakers, plumbing, boilers, generator, air conditioners, fans, and vacuum cleaners add to the existing noise pollution. Effects of noise pollution. According to the US EPA, means United States Environmental Protection Agency, there are direct links between noise and health. Also, noise pollution adversely affects the lives of millions of people. Noise pollution can damage physiological and psychological health, high blood pressure, stress related illness, hearing loss, and productivity loss, and the problems related to noise pollution. It can also cause memory loss, depression, and panic attacks. So, what we have to do for noise pollution? Planting bushes and trees in the around sound generating sources in an effective solution for noise pollution. Regular servicing and turning off automobiles can effectively reduce the noise pollution. Social awareness program should be taken up to educate the public about the causes and effects of noise pollution. Workers should be provided with equipment such as earplugs and earmuffs for hearing protection. Thank you.